Hi, in this day and age, every business needs to have a web presence. Even you as an individual, you want to express yourself by using an online medium. The ability to develop this website has become an important skill set. With modern content management system, it makes very easy for anyone with little or no knowledge to develop a website. One such content management system or CMS is Joomla. Joomla is an award-winning content management system which enables you to build websites and powerful online applications. So this Joomla is a content management system. So it enables you to create websites and other web application, online web application for free. And the software is free. And this is the Joomla website. You can download for free. It has extensions. Once you download and install the Joomla, you can add some modules, you can add some templates, you can add some modules to extend the functionality of the Joomla content management system. You can see here that the new version is 4.1. You can see here the benefit and the features of this content management system. CEO. Now this is very, very important. If you are creating a website, you want the website to rank well in the search engines, mobile friendly. That means the website you are going to create can be accessed by different devices. As you are aware, users use different devices to access internet or browse the websites. They can use a mobile phone, they can use a desktop computer. Unlimited design, there are so many designs you can use or you can come up with when you are creating the website. Multilingual, so many languages or you can add in your website. Flexible and fully extensible. It's not just a website, you can extend it to many other features. You can add more features to the website. And multi-user permissions. You can add different users permissions to manage your website. So this is a good content management system, and in this course we are going to use this content management. This is a free content management system to create our website. So you can see different websites that have been created using this content management system, Joomla. Let's see if you can be able to view more. Showcase website developed using this content management system. And here there are so many of them. You can see they are very good looking website. And all these built for free. They are built for free. So it's a free content management system and easy to learn and use. And you can use it to develop your website. You can use it to develop your websites. We are going to use Joomla as our content management system to develop our website for free. Another free framework or a tool that we are going to use to develop our website is what we refer to as a Helix Framework. And this one is you can unlock the power of website creation with no code development, so you don't need to code. So this Helix Framework enables you to code or to come up with a website to develop a website with no code required. When you want to come up with a website, you need a template or what we refer to as a templating engine to start developing the website. So this framework enables you to come up with your own framework. It's like a base or a basic structure that enables you to come up with your website. It is a universal Joomla template that can be used to develop all types of websites. The templates make sure that your website is clean and smooth, giving you that user experience. And you can see here it's free. You can download for free. So the tools we are going to use are all free. You can download them for free and use them for free. And again, the good things with this is that it's very easy to use and learn. It's very useful. It is modern and full responsive. So your website will be full responsive. Remember, the users can use different devices to access the websites. So be assured that your website will be responsive. And it has been developed using a Bootstrap 5. You can learn more about Bootstrap 5. Here you can see it has a drag and drop layout builder, advanced responsive control, recent style options. You can use different style options to your website. Drag and drop menu builder. You can build menus. So you can think of this template like this framework as creating your template. Once you install the Joomla content management system, the next step is you need to install a template so that you can start developing your website. Now, instead of getting now the template or searching for a template, you can have this framework called Helix Ultimate Framework that it can help you to develop your own framework or to come up with your own design for the website. So you can see here it has rich menu builder. Remember, in a website you need menus. Customization, you can customize your website the way you want. 5 brand new home variations. So this company Joomla, they have come up with 5 different home variations for that has been built using this framework. So you can install this framework and install one of these this home variation, or you can actually come up with your own design. So here, built for Joomla 4. Currently we have 4.1, so you can use it for the current Joomla version. Header option, typographic options, you can have those. Enhance user experience, improve import setting, enables you what you want. Build with this Bootstrap 5. Toast notifications to the website, font awesome 5, Google Analytics, compatibility with the current version of the Joomla, social icon and share. So it has so many features. SP page builder supported. So this is the next tool we are going to use. It's a very good tool you can use to build your website. Ella pages. So there are so many features that you can use that come with this framework, and you can use it and incorporate in your website you are going to create. So this is a templating engine, a framework that you can use to come up with your website, and you are going to use this to create your website. Let's see a preview of the framework and how it looks like. Here we go. This is how it looks like. This is the first website you can see. The home variations, corporate. There you go. You can see the website. You can see the websites. Fashion, different types of website you can come up with to create a website. You can see this is a an e-commerce website for fashion. Another one is lifestyle. Lifestyle, here you can see this is the lifestyle. So you can see it's a very nice framework that you can use to create a website. So you install the Joomla and then you now install this framework to build your website, and I'm going to show you step by step. So keep watching these videos, like and share and comment if you have any question, and subscribe to my channel to see more content. So continue watching the other sections. So I'll divide this course into different sections so that I can take you step by step on how to create a website for free using these free tools. And you can see it is responsive in the desktop. In the other phone, you can see very responsive. The framework is responsive, so you have to not to worry about the response of your website. So this is another tool we are going to use, and it is free. It's called Helix Ultimate. It's a framework, the Joomla templating engine that you can use to come up with your website. Another tool we are going to use is called SP Page Builder. It is the best drag and drop website building tools, and it is supported by the Helix Ultimate template, the other two we have discussed. With the help of SP Page Builder, you can give your site the look and the feel of whatever you can imagine. So you can design any type of website in terms of the look and the feel. So whether you are a beginner or a professional, it lets you build a site independently. It is the fastest and easiest way to create a website in minutes without coding in Joomla. So it's a drag and drop builder for Joomla content management system. This is the website. And it's actually trusted by more than 200,000 people worldwide. So it has a pro version and it has a free version. For this our case, we are going to use the free version. Remember, our channel is about using free software to improve our day-to-day activities. So we are going to use a free version, and we are going to create a website with this drag and drop tool. So you can see here, you can build everything visually, so you can come up with any type of design you want. You can create a website without coding. It helps you to create a website without coding. So it comes with free pre-designed templates, but this is the pro version. For us, we are going to use the free version, but as you are going to see, we can actually use the free version to build our website also. So these are some of the powerful add-ons that you can use to create a website. A website comes with different components, and this page builder helps you to create or to add those components with easy and fast. So here you can see some of the components, some modules. If you want to integrate some of them, let's say for example you are creating a website and you want to add an event to show events in your website. So you can have a Joomla module. I'm going to show you all this, how you can download modules, and you can insert that module easily using now this page builder. So these are some of the components you see in our website. You see an article displayed, you see slide buttons, our team. So these are some of the components you can see, the headings, image content, if you want to add the image, the pricing tables, the progress bar. So these are some of the components you see in our website. Navigation, tables, forms, you see forms in our website. So these are some of the components, and this page builder will help you easily
to implement those components in our. So for the free version, you can find all this in a pro version. But for the free version, you can find, these are some of the things you can actually find. And as you are going to see, you'll be able to see that this version can actually you can actually build a free website with these free items.
And now this is the website we are going to create. And this website, I have created this website using the free tools I have described. As you can see, it's a content management system using Joomla, and I also used the framework, Helix Framework, and also I have used SP Page Builder. So you can see this website, it's a professional website. So we are going to create this exact website. I'm going to show you step by step how to create this website. So make sure you like this video, you subscribe, and watch the other steps or the other videos so that you can see how to create professional website, so that you can go there out and create your own. So this is the website I've created, and the same website we are going to create. So you can see different pages. Show you step by step how to create the website, and we are going to implement more and more features as we go by. So you can see it's a very nice professional website. So I'm going to show you how to create this using free tools step by step. So make sure that you like this video and you subscribe to my channel, and make sure that you watch all the other videos so that you can know or you can learn how to create a professional website for free. A professional website for free. This course will take you from absolutely no knowledge of web development to creating a professional website. And the good news is this course uses all the free tools. Joomla, the content management system, is free. Helix Framework, a templating engine for Joomla, is free. And the SP Page Builder, we are going to use the free version of it to create the website. You will learn which tools to install and how to use them. Take this course to learn step by step from a seasoned professional website creator. Welcome. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel and watch all the other videos, and turn on notifications so that you can get more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next video.